Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be discussing about 50 best speech topics for students. Education. 1. The importance of quality education in Pakistan. 2. Enhancing access to education in rural areas. 3. Empowering female education in Pakistan. 4. Modernizing the education system to meet global standards. 5. Addressing the challenges of online learning during the pandemic. Health. 6. Combating the rise of non-communicable diseases in Pakistan. 7. Improving healthcare facilities in underserved regions. 8. Tackling the issue of malnutrition and stunting in children. 9. Promoting mental health awareness in Pakistani society. 10. Enhancing vaccination campaigns and healthcare outreach. Environment. 11. Addressing climate change and its impact on Pakistan. 12. Promoting eco-friendly practices and sustainability. 13. The importance of preserving natural habitats and biodiversity. 14. Managing water resources effectively in Pakistan. 15. Combating air pollution and improving air quality in major cities. Social issues. 16. Eradicating child labor and ensuring children's rights. 17. Empowering women and promoting gender equality in Pakistan. 18. Combating poverty and unemployment in the country. 19. Addressing human rights issues and promoting social justice. 20. Raising awareness about the dangers of drug abuse. Economy. 21. Boosting entrepreneurship and supporting startups in Pakistan. 22. Addressing the issue of corruption and its impact on the economy. 23. Enhancing infrastructure development and connectivity. 24. Promoting foreign investment and economic growth. 25. The potential of the CPEC project for Pakistan's economy. Politics and governance. 26. Strengthening democratic institutions and promoting political stability. 27. The role of youth in shaping the political landscape of Pakistan. 28. Addressing political polarization and promoting national unity. 29. Electoral reforms for fair and transparent elections. 30. The impact of good governance on Pakistan's progress. Media and technology. 31. The influence of social media on Pakistani society. 32. The role of technology in driving innovation and progress. 33. Addressing cyberbullying and online safety in the digital age. 34. The impact of media on shaping public opinion in Pakistan. 35. The potential of e-commerce for economic growth. Cultural heritage. 36. Preserving and promoting Pakistan's cultural heritage and diversity. 37. The significance of national days and celebrations in Pakistan. 38. The role of art and literature in promoting Pakistani culture. 39. Celebrating and supporting traditional crafts and artisans. 40. The impact of globalization on Pakistani culture. International relations. 41. Pakistan's role in promoting regional peace and stability. 42. The challenges and opportunities of Pakistan's foreign policy. 43. Addressing the issue of terrorism and promoting global cooperation. 44. The significance of Pak-China friendship and cooperation. 45. The role of Pakistan in promoting Islamic unity. Energy and power. 46. Addressing the energy crisis and promoting sustainable energy solutions. 47. The potential of renewable energy sources in Pakistan. 48. Enhancing energy efficiency and conservation practices. 49. Overcoming the issue of load shedding and power outages. 50. The impact of energy policies on Pakistan's economic growth. These topics cover a wide range of issues and potential solutions for Pakistan, and students can choose the ones that resonate with them and align with their interests and concerns. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to check out my other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching.